PSA AK V. The AK-V is Palmetto State Armory's 9mm AK pistol version of the Russian Vityaz submachine gun. The design of the AK-V includes a blowback-operated system that ensures a smooth cycling action and is chambered in 9mm. As an integral part of Palmetto State Armory's line of American-made firearms, we considered this a must-have, along with other lines such as the KS-47, AKP, AKE, and the PS AK-47. Our passion doesn't stop at creating high-quality firearms. Our passion also involves making sure our firearms last a lifetime.